Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box. This is free. You pay $5 for shipping and it's quarterly. So here's the card on the inside. Hello sunshine. Enter to win a $100 gift card. And I think this is the summer box. It seems like they've been sending them later than they should since we're already into September, but there might be a card in here. We'll check it out. The first product is Bioderma. This is makeup removing, I don't know if it's micellar, I don't know how to say that. But essentially you just put on a cotton pad, wipe it over your face. I've had this before. It's not bad. I kind of don't like stuff like this because I feel like it's not getting my face clean. But this is a pretty good size of it, so that will last a while. So that's the first item. Also have Dove Refresh and Care. This is dry shampoo and it's fresh coconut scented. That's awesome. I'm going to take a whiff of that and see if it actually smells like coconut. Yeah, that actually has a really nice scent. So super excited for that. Next up we have a razor. Comfort Shield by Bic. And it looks like it's just one razor. I don't think there's any refills or anything in there, but that's really awesome. Then we have a foil packet of Nivea Aloe Vera Body Lotion. A Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strip. I haven't used one of those in ages. It's kind of stuck, but there's one strip in there. So I'm excited for that. It's been a long time since I've used one of those. And then Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. I feel like I got one of these in the past. So I got that. And then some advertisements for the products in the box. Some more information about them. Sometimes you get coupons. But that's it. I feel like in the past I've gotten a lot more products in some of my boxes, but these are big size products, so I'm not even really upset by that. And like I said, it's only $5 and it is on a renewal subscription base, so once you sign up they will automatically send them. So if that's something you're not interested in, then you would have to cancel after your first box, but I will put a link below in case you want to sign up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.